we have to protect the identity of the winner. Meron po nagreklamo sa amin one time, we covered the face, yung damit naman po ay nakilala. So, nagreklamo siya, sana naman daw po, wag ipakita naman po yung damit. So, yan po ang reason niya, and I agree, it's a very poor editing, pero the objective is to conceal the clothing na ma-identify sa kanya.
So, ibig sabihin, so inamin nyo, inedit to, pinalitan nyo yung clothing.
Opo.
Bakit kinakailangan palitan ang clothing?
Again, part po yan ng pag-conceal kasi na-identify po yung damit. For example, kung at that day, yung mga kapitbahay po yun yung suot niya, ganyan. Or kung nakapag-selfie siya, meron yung pong nagreklamo sa amin, favorite clothes daw kasi, kaya nalaman siya. So, Your Honor, if there is something to apologize, it's the poor editing. But I think it has served its purpose of concealing the identity.
So at least inamin nyo, ayan, marami kasi mga nagtatanong, nagsabi, purang pagka-edit.
I'm
So
sorry,
inamin nyo,
we're not very good at editing the clothes.
Pero yung tao hindi edited.
Hindi po, totoo po
Tunay
yan.
na tao to.
Tunay na tao po yan.
Okay. So kaya sabi ko mamaya sa executive session, gusto ko malaman niya, identity na itong taon to, pati yung nanalo sa 690 million.
Actually,
Make sure
lahat
na
po
talaga
on record yan, kung susumpinan niyo po, we can provide the names.
No, sa executive session, pwede naman siguro yan. Am I right, Senator Cong?